How you doing, guys? So today we'll be going to Tremblay Beach. We're going to be putting on our waders, and we're going to be attacking largemouth bass. I'm going to try a spinnerbait, a crankbait, cotton cordell. See if anything hits, guys. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so we made it to Tremblay Beach. Came here with a couple guys. We got the waders on, and now it's time to do some fishing. So let me get my rod and everything ready, and we'll get back to you.
All right, guys. So we're in the water. We're gonna try the spinnerbait first. See if we can get any hits. If not, we'll throw on try a crankbait. See if we have any luck. It's a little choppy, but it's not too bad. I think it would be perfect for a spinnerbait, to tell you the truth. So nice out here, guys. Tremblay Beach. If you have a pair of waders, I'm telling you, give it a try. All right, guys, we're gonna do a couple more casts with the spinnerbait. See if we get a hit. If not, we'll throw on a crankbait. Hope a muskie doesn't bite me. Get my wiener. He'll be full for a week. 2 more casts. It is beautiful over here, guys. If you haven't been, Tremblay Beach. Get yourself a pair of waders. Come out and just cast out. Might get lucky. All right, guys, let's give the crankbait a try. I've always had seaweed. Yeah, I've always had good luck with this crankbait. It's I have no clue what you call that color, but it's gorgeous, and it seems to do me pretty good. All right, guys, let's try the cotton cordell. We got Joe fishing over here, naked. Muskie's gonna bite his wiener. Let's try it, guys. See if we get into a muskie. Go big or go home, guys. All right, guys. So we had no luck with anything, so we're gonna go back and put on the cotton cordell. Let's go for a walk in the brush. Whoa! See the snakes? Lots of snakes, boys. Lots of snakes today. Hope one doesn't jump on me. I am terrified of snakes. I hate them. Oh, worst place to be right now if you're not liking snakes. That's for sure. I come to Tremblay Beach probably 4 times a year. I did all right the first time, but not getting a bite at all today. So we're gonna go back with the spinnerbait. All right, let's go back in the water. Gotta go get my my baits. Switch it over. That north wind just made the water filthy. I think that's the reason why we are not getting no hits. Watch out for the boulders in the water here. All right. Oh. Okay. So we're gonna take off the cotton cordell. Put on the weight spinner again.
Hey everyone, so no luck at Tremblay Beach. Today's a new day. We're gonna go to a local pond and we're gonna catch a bunch of largemouth bass. Not big, but there's a lot of them. Stay tuned, guys.
All right, guys, so we made it to our local pond. Today I'll just be using the mini Strike King spinnerbait. Let's see if we can get into them, guys. Here we go, guys. Got one on. Nice little bass. Come here, buddy. Nice little bass. First one of the day. There we go, guys. Another small little bass. Oh, come here, buddy. Come here. Another tiny little bass. Tiny. Good for my fish tank. I am thinking way too hot. They're down deep today. There is no shade. There he is. Big jump. Nicer one. Nice little fish, guys. Nice little bass. That's how it is, guys. All day. You catch them all day, but they're not too big. I can't believe the small hits I'm getting, guys. There he is. I came back for it. Nice bass. It's about what, 2 weeks old? Little sardine. Catching sardines. Actually, I think sardines might be bigger. They are short hitting today. There it is, guys. There it is. Another tiny little bass. Nothing big at all today, guys. Not even medium size. All tiny little bass. There's a nice one. He hit it hard. Oh yeah, see guys, that's a big bass. That is a big bass. Oh yeah. Gorgeous fish, guys. Beautiful. That's what I'm looking for. Give me a couple more of those. See if they're underneath the tree here waiting for anything to fall. Yep. Called that one. That's what they do. They sit underneath the tree and they wait for bugs. Anything, guys. Small guy, but he hit it hard. I wish there was shade for me, because it is hot. There it is, guys. I found a spot underneath this tree. Another one, guys. I'm telling you, all day bass. Right at the boat, guys. Right when I was gonna lift it out of the water, he just came and smashed it. Come here, buddy. Wow, right when it hit the water, guys. Right when it hit the water. Is he gonna jump again? Right when it hit the water. Awesome. Try a little deeper. See if they're a little deeper. There he is, guys. That's a nicer one. This one has some beautiful color. Very nice fish. See that? Oh, he came back, guys. He came back for it. Nice one. Nice bass. He came up, hit it on top. Still mad at it, and he came and grabbed it. Nice little waterfall, guys. How about if I cast it right in there? Oh, nice. There we go, guys. There we go. Oh, yeah. There it is. Oh, nice one, guys. There we go. All right, I'm gonna end my day there, guys. Yesterday, Tremblay Beach, not even a hit. It was brutal. The north wind just brought in all the muck. I don't think the fish could see the bait. So we came out of our local pond here, and we did pretty good with a little small bass. Had a blast. Stay tuned. Next episode, guys, we'll be doing musky fishing on the kayak in the Detroit River. We get into one, guys, it's going to be an adventure. Stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching, guys.